A savings account sounds simple, but the fine print changes how useful it is. Most people treat a savings account like money I can use anytime, but that's not what it's built for. The cash isn't always instant, and you usually can't swipe it like checking. Transfers can be capped by the bank, even if rules changed, and the interest alone won't build wealth unless your balance is large. Not all savings accounts pay similar rates, and insurance limits aren't unlimited for every balance. A savings account is a deposit account, which means your money sits at a bank but doesn't just sit there. Banks use deposits as lendable funds, and they pay you interest for letting them use that money. Interest typically accrues daily, even though you may see it added monthly. Moving money in and out usually runs through ACH, which is slower than a wire. That's why savings isn't built for everyday spending. To understand a savings account, you have to understand APY, because APY includes compounding, interest earning interest. Many accounts calculate interest daily but pay it out monthly, so timing matters. Your average daily balance matters too. One big deposit at month end won't earn much. On $10,000, a tiny APY can mean about $8 a month, while a higher APY can be closer to $400 a year. Fees can wipe that out fast. Access and fees are where savings accounts surprise people, so you have to read the account rules like a user manual. Transfers may be limited by the bank, and ACH transfers commonly take 1 to 3 business days. Go over the allowed transactions, and you can get excess transaction fees. Drop below a minimum balance, and you might trigger a monthly fee. Even paper statements can cost extra, and new deposits can be held before you can move them back out. Used the right way, a savings account is for safety and separation, not spending. Park emergency cash there first, so a surprise bill doesn't hit your checking balance. Split spending from saving so you don't accidentally spend your buffer. Choose higher yield options so the same balance earns more, then link checking with ACH for routine transfers. Automate a transfer every payday, and pick access speed based on your timeline, not convenience. On a $10,000 balance, the difference between a low APY and a strong APY can be hundreds per year, and fees can erase it. BankingHub matches you to savings accounts based on how you actually bank and shows the real dollar impact for your balance. Free, takes about 2 minutes, and the link is in the description.